As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are unboxing a box from our good friend Big Charlie. So, let me fill you guys in. So, Big Charlie a while ago asked me if I can do some restoration on some Tootsie Toys, and I told him, of course. And in return for payment or, to do the work, he sent me a bunch of cars and some other little things as collateral and payment, which is great. But today I wanted to quickly show you what he sent. We're going to briefly go through it. And then we are going to go through what we are restoring, or what I think I'm restoring, because there's a lot of extras in the bottom here. And if Big Charlie, when you're watching this, or if you watch this, please let me know exactly what you want again, because I remember the Tootsie Toys, and that is completely fine. We can make that happen. That's not a problem. But I just want to just clarify and make sure we are, doing the right restoration, the right cars. So let's jump into this. We got a big box, and we first got a note here, and it says, "Hi Cole, hope all is well. Thanks for doing these cars for me. 6 carded cars in the 1 bag of cars are yours. The rest do as you please with them. If something you don't want to do or don't have time to send them back. If you if you need help with shipping, I can help. Just let me know. Thanks, Charlie." Excuse me. So pretty much that is our note for this unboxing. But we're gonna first start out with the big bag of cars. As you see here, Charlie has sent us a mix of different types of Hot Wheels, futuristic cars, trucks, some bodies. It looks like a Datsun in here, and this is all awesome. I really appreciate it. Big Charlie. Those are definitely going to go to use and be used in future builds. The next couple of cars that we have in here, we got a 65 Plymouth Barracuda, which is very, very cool. We have it's a 70 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, which is also cool. Very cool cars to add to the collection. So thank you very much. This most likely will be used for something. This is going to get put in the collection. So thank you very much, my friend. Let's move on. We have a futuristic Hot Wheels. I don't know what this is. It's an Astro Rat, which is very interesting. I can see maybe Outlaw Speed Shop building something like that. We have a 68 Nova, which is going to definitely be used for a future build. What else we got? We got a tow truck that's going to be used probably for a dibs build coming up. You'll see very, very shortly. And lastly, we have a freaking Corvette with an awesome motor. So, Big Charlie, thank you for the carded cars and the bag of cars. They are all amazing and awesome, and they'll get to good use. So thank you very much. All right, let's move on to what we are fixing for Big Charlie himself. So like he said, there's a lot of cars in here, a lot of Tootsie Toys like this big one. This one's going to be interesting. I've never seen something like this before, but definitely needs to be redone, painted, and yeah, there's a lot of work to be done with this one. But that's cool. We're not going to go over all of these cars today, but we are going to do like the majority of the big ones. So here's another big truck. The gate opens on that. That's pretty cool. Awesome. And mind you guys, these cars are being restored for Big Charlie, and we're changing up what we were doing. And he asked, and I said I would deliver. So we're going to try it out and see what we can do. What do we got next? We got a pickup truck. That one's very, very nice. And a lot of these I think I'm just going to restore back to normal, and so they look nice. But I'm not too sure yet. We have to really sit down and break these apart. I do not want to take these apart yet, but I do know they are Tootsie Toys, and there is wheels in here for them, so we're going to keep that in mind. which is really cool. What other cool things are in show real quick? We got a Land Rover Tootsie Toy type toy. Actually, what is this? No, it's a Tootsie Toy. I didn't know that they put bottoms on cars, but they did it. Definitely doing a wheel change, paint, and we will detail that one out. So that's very cool. What else we got in here? A bug. That is very nice. Tootsie Toy. The big fire truck that Big Charlie wants done. This one's going to take a while for sure, but we're definitely going to do something pretty cool with this. And yeah, I have no ideas right now, but it's definitely going to get done, and it's definitely going to look awesome. Alright guys, there's a lot of cool cars in here from Big Charlie, but I just wanted to give you guys a video, because I know it's been a couple weeks since we've done a video. And I also wanted to inform you guys what is going to be coming up on the channel. So you're going to see majority, if not all, of these little trucks and cars on the channel. We're going to do some cool things with them. We're going to restore a lot of them. We're going to customize some of them. We're going to even do Rat Rod and Mad Max stuff with them. Pretty much like the note said, Big Charlie gave us a lot of creative freedom with a lot of these Tootsie Toy type cars, which is awesome. Found a wagon. That's pretty awesome. I didn't even know that was in there. But we're gonna get it all done. We're going to fix as much as these, if not all of them, and we are gonna make some cool stuff for Big Charlie. So guys, stay tuned for all of that funness and magic. And guys, if you have any questions for me, or you want some cars restored or customized, please comment down below, or you can also email me down below to get in contact with me. My contact information is in the description, so if you ever have questions, please don't feel afraid to holler. Guys, thank you very much for stopping by the fish tank. Again, if you have any questions for me, please ask. If you are Big Charlie, thank you very much for all the cars, and thank you for the opportunity to build some cool cars and use them for some content on my channel. Alright guys, that's all I have for this week, and if you have anything else you want to know or need, please feel free to contact me via email, Instagram, or even on here. Alright guys, bye.